Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we'll be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few sessions. In yesterday's trading session, markets witnessed an extremely volatile trading session before Nifty managed to end the choppy trading day marginally up 0.18%. Bank Nifty, on the other hand, opened with a gap up, but it was hit with the profit booking wave, ending the day 0.19% lower. Coming to the macro factors, the dollar index is still trading weak around the levels of 103.5. This and the fact that the longer term US bond yields, that is the 10-year and 30-year bond yields, remain weak below the levels of 4.3 and 4.5 respectively, indicating continuation of liquidity flows towards risk on asset classes like equity markets, both global and Indian. However, one should have a close eye on the Brent crude prices, which have inched up towards levels of $83.5 a barrel. Coming to a quick update on the global markets, the S&P 500 is nearing its short-term resistance zone of 4,530-4,580, where it may experience consolidation before heading towards levels of 4,710-4,740 on the upside. Coming to our market updates yesterday, post an initial flat opening, index traded in a 100-120 point range as market participants were awaiting the Q2 GDP numbers as well as exit poll results of 5 state elections. However, post an initial intraday dip, Nifty experienced continuation of its buying momentum, once again closing in close vicinity of its all-time high. Notably, India VIX has surged by 12 to 14% in the past 3 sessions, indicative of the fact that option market participants were hedging their existing long position with index options ahead of the results of the 5 state elections later on this week. Q2 GDP numbers came in post-market at 7.6, which is much better than the expectation of 6.8, and hence it would be taken positively by the markets. Post a strong bullish momentum in the past few sessions, going forward 20,020-20,030 will act as a strong support, and till the time this zone holds, index could continue its rally towards its all-time high of 20,210-20,222. While on the downside for the day, below 20,020, index can retest the support levels placed at 19,950 levels. Coming to the OI data, that is the weekly data, significant call writing is witnessed in 20,200, 20,300 and 20,400 strikes, while on the put front, that is 20,100 and 20,000, witnessed considerable open interest additions. Overall range from short-term perspective could be the levels of 19,950, 20,000 on the downside and 20,350, 20,400 on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty, immediate support for Bank Nifty is likely to be the zone of 44,100, and till 44,100 holds, index can manage a rebound up to 44,750, 44,880, where the resistance will be witnessed. Above 44,850, index can witness further short covering up to the levels of 45,180, 45,250. From the monthly perspective, if you see, that is for Bank Nifty, significant open interest build-up is witnessed in 44,500 and 44,000 puts, and on the call side it is mainly seen in the 44,500 calls, implying a broad term near-term range of 44,250 on the downside and 44,980 on the upside for banking index. Now coming to the rollover data, potential outperforming sectors that we feel based on the rollover data would be the financial services, that is NBFC and insurance, pharma, cement, mid-cap IT, oil and gas, auto and infrastructure. While potential underperforming sectors based on the rollover data could be the PSU banking space. Top picks based on the rollover data: Bharat Forge, Tata Motors, Axis Bank, Bajaj Finserv, HDFC AMC, HDFC Life, L&T Finance, MFSL, Muthoot Finance, Ultratech Cement, Bharat Electronics, HAL, Indigo, GAIL, Godrej Properties, Dixon Technologies, Coforge, LTTS, GAIL, Apollo Hospital, Torrent Pharma, Lupin, Granules and Dr. Reddy. Long build-up was also witnessed in the NBFC names such as Muthoot Finance and Manappuram, and we feel these names could outperform in the next few trading sessions as well. From the broader market perspective, bullish setup was observed in the likes of Ultra Chemco, Apollo Hospital, Bharti Airtel, Titan, Trent, Alchem, Fortis, Aegis Chemical, MCX and Granules. Coming to the FIDI data, significant buying was witnessed by FIs to the tune of 8,100 crores, while DIs sold to the tune of 780 crores in the cash market. The FI long short ratio for index futures for the December series is at 35%. Just to summarize, key support for Nifty being the levels of 20,020 on the downside and resistance at 20,200. For Bank Nifty, key support would be the level of 44,150, 44,250 zone, and resistance would be seen closer towards the levels of 45,000. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast. Wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.